Good evening, Atlanta. I am Miles Weston. Today, this evening, I'll bring you this important news. There has been a sudden increase in reports that rock formations were mysteriously being formed in the streets of Atlanta. The police and the Georgia State Police are now researching and figuring out what this rock is. The police have also asked residents to remain away from the stones as these rocks are not yet known. The scientist is also joining the police in researching these rocks. Whatever you do, please remain away from the rocks and let the police and the scientists do their job. And wait, we just got an update on the stones and, oh my God, I cannot believe what I am seeing right now. Oh crap, I gotta hide. Oh my freaking God.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. Multiple reports of the strange entity have come out from the mysterious formation of the rocks and started to attack people on site. This entity is standing at around 8 feet tall, has a very thin black body, a spike that is growing out on the entity's back, and one big purple eyes. This entity can charge straight, has agility, and is immune to gun bullets or any weaponry. This entity is believed that the entity will spread across Atlanta and the surrounding areas. At this time, do not go outside for any reason. This entity can spot you at a great distance. Lock all doors and windows and barricade them. Remain tuned in this developing situation.